try to solve Leetcode problem 643, maximum average subarray 1. So for this problem, we are giving an integer array nums consisting of n elements and an integer k. So yeah, we're going to find a contiguous subarray whose length is equal to k. So basically this means it's going to be a fixed sliding window because it is said the length is equal to k that has the maximum average value, and we're going to return the maximum average value. So the answer gonna within range, it's gonna be less than 10 to the power of 5. So this is just the accuracy. Yeah, because depending on any kind of other programming languages, we need to control this kind of accuracy. But luckily for us, for Python, everything should be okay. Yeah. Now let's try to set the sliding window. So the basic pattern is that we're gonna prepare a final result, and I'm gonna prepare a total. So basically, I need to use this total value divided by k to calculate the average value, and then I'm going to find the maximum average value. And I'm going to prepare an L pointer. Yeah, so the result going to be, I'm going to set it to negative infinity because I'm going to check the maximum value. And inside there's also negative numbers. So this means, the maximum value can be a negative value. So I'm going to set a negative infinity. And in Python, we don't need to import it. Normally we're gonna import from the math, but we don't need it because everything is imported. And for the total, I'm gonna set it 0 from the beginning, and also for the left pointer. Now I'm gonna loop through the numbers array. So for Rn in enumerate, we're gonna update the total first, and then we're gonna check the window size. Because it is a fixed window, we just need to use an if tag. So if it is equal to k, it means we've already reached the window, and we need to update the final result. It's going to be a maximum of the result with this total divided by k. So after that, we're going to update the L pointer, and finally we need to return the final result. But before we update the left pointer, we need to update the total first. So the total going to minus equal to the number from the left side, and then we're gonna update the left pointer. So this is just the basic pattern. Because we want to update the left pointer, we have to update the total first. Now let me just run it and submit it to check. And the time complexity for this problem is O(n), and the space complexity is O1. As you can see, it is working very fast.